Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. So, coming to today's JS challenge, we are going to flatten and nested array, okay, without using any built-in JavaScript methods like flat, okay. So, if you are aware of this challenge, you just try out once. Else, like I will discuss the approach which we are going to which I am going to follow in this tutorial, okay. So you can do that based on that approach as well, okay. uh, so basically what my approach is, uh, I will loop through this array until the length of that array, okay. So if the current element is number, then I would push this current element to the new array, okay. If it is not number, then I will again loop through the current array, okay, or current element. So this is my approach. So you first try out on your own way. So once you are done with the solution, or if you are stuck somewhere, you can just watch out this tutorial, okay. So let me first define an function, flat array, and let me call this flat array, okay. So I will take one like I will consider one test case for now. We'll do it later for all the test cases, okay. So basically it would work for most every test case, okay, the approach. So let me accept this here, okay. And so for looping it, I am using for loop only. For let I equal to 0, sorry, I less than nested array dot length I plus plus, okay. So inside this for loop, I am going to write my if condition, okay. If, so I'm just checking the type of the current element, okay. If type of nested element of 5, so triple equal to number, okay. So if it is number, then we will push the current element to the new array, okay. So let me flatten array dot push of nested array of 5. So I am again just taking the current element of this nested array. So let me define this flatten array. So I just initialize to the empty array, okay. So basically we are done with the whenever the current element is number, then we are pushing it to the new array, okay. So if it is not number, so that means if it is the array, we have to again uh, again do the same process, right? So again we have to loop loop through this array. So to loop through this array, we have to again call this flat array. So this is a recursion, okay, what we are doing now. So again we are calling this flat array with nested array of item I, okay. So with this we are done with the flattening, okay. So just let me console.log this one, console.log of flatten array. So if I run this one, okay, so it's showing some error like cannot read properties of undefined length. So where it went wrong, so it's nested array, we are passing it, okay. So here we are sending the flat array, which is again the function which we are using, but we have to get the element from the nested array, okay. So let me run this again. So you can see, so we got the nested array, sorry, flat array. So likewise if I pass element 2, So you can see everything we got it in the flat way. Okay. So similarly, if I pass instead 4, it will do the same thing. So basically, it's all the test cases will work in this way. Okay. So we are basically loop through the array, and also we are using the recursion here. Okay. So you may have different approach, but until and unless like this code is you are getting expected output, that's well and good. Okay. So thank you for watching.